What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Lowe's 12-foot bone collector. Alright, this guy is absolutely awesome. I've been after this guy for a while. Ever since I first saw him. I actually didn't love him the first time I saw him. I was kind of disappointed. But then when I heard his audio and I saw his video, I'm like, I need this guy. So I've been looking all over. I saw a bunch of people getting them from Lowe's, and mine didn't have him yet, and he wasn't available online. But then I saw them at the top of the shelves about a week ago, and then I started calling Lowe's, like our local Lowe's, every about day, just to be like, hey, do you guys have them yet? And then my Lowe's had it, so here we are. Finally getting into this unboxing. This box isn't too big. It's obviously still massive because it's a 12-footer, but it's nowhere near the size of like the Home Depot ones, and it's not even the size of the Scarecrows from last year, so that's a plus. Definitely for me, because I'm definitely running out of room. But the first thing coming out is this little piece of cardboard with a bunch of stuff on it, like some rope, some zip ties, all that. Right here we do have an arm, and then the other arm is right here. In here we have some ground stakes, which are very good. Techie has great ground stakes. Not going to open it, but in here we have some of the leg poles and the control box. Obviously this guy is waterproof. He is 12 feet tall, so bringing him inside is not really an option. Once again, I'm not going to open it right now just because it's really hot. It's like 90 degrees out here. But we have his hand, his bag, and the little skeleton that hangs from there. And yep, it looks like one of the hands came off. That'll be easy to get back on though. The hand is huge. Right here we have a ton of clothing, which as usual for a 12-foot is amazing quality. This is like really nice. Right here we have another hand, which I actually took out this time. Big, definitely big. This is the one that holds the shovel. Right here we have the shoulder frame, built pretty nice. Looks almost identical to the 12-foot Scarecrow's one. And not Mega Wolf. Mega Wolf is different. Yeah, here is the front of the shovel. It looks absolutely amazing, and it's absolutely huge. And then here we also have the sticks for the shovel. Right here we have another part of the shoulder frame with the mechanism for the head. This is absolutely amazing. There's like bearings in here and everything. Full metal mechanism. This is great. Holy crap, guys. The face of this guy looks insane. Look at that, like, detail. Like, all the just, like, H marks and all that. Do you see that? Harley, do you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Those eyes in there, they move side to side. They're not servo. They're just regular motors, but yeah. All right. That's absolutely awesome. I can't wait to see this guy all set up. Here is his hip loop. This is what his hips are gonna look like. Pretty big. All right, guys. So right here we have like above the hips. This will go all the way up. It's pretty cool. Right here we have the thing that's going to connect the hips together. Here we have some leg poles. One of these parts is already in. But yeah. And finally, here is the base. All right, make sure there's nothing else in there. Don't want to forget. All right, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. All right, guys, so the time lapse actually didn't work today. I don't know why, but I got them all set up. Holy crap, that took forever, but time to plug them in.
Enter the master's abode. Your soul shall be vanquished in the deepest, darkest dungeon if you do not leave now.
All right, guys, so that was the new for 2024 bone collector from Lowe's. This guy is absolutely amazing. I think he's definitely my favorite 12-footer that I have, other than Mega Wolf. I mean, Mega Wolf isn't technically 12 feet, but he's close enough. But this guy is absolutely amazing. Definitely worth the $400 price tag. If you really want to stand out in your display, this is absolutely the way to go. He's not as loud as you'd want him to be. I'd want him to be a little bit louder than he is, even at full volume. But still, he's absolutely amazing. And you can put an external speaker on there if you would like to. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase him. He's not currently available online, but maybe by the time I upload this, it will. And just check your local Lowe's every now and then, or even call and see if they have him in stock if you would like to purchase him. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will leave a link in the merch too. Other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.